Good morning, good evening, my brother and sister. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, my brother and sister, we are here now in Tanay Rizal province, one of the nearest province to my home. So, I visit this tourist destination, one of the tourist destination here in Tanay Rizal, here in the Philippines. It's called Lambingan Hills, my brother and sister. So today it's March 9, 2025. It's Sunday, my brother and sister. So it's this area is located in the top of the mountain, my brother and sister. It's a very nice location. So I will show you around regarding this place. So we just travel, my brother and sister, using my motorcycle, this Yamaha NMAX 155. So from here to my house is around 2 to 3 hours, my brother and sister, the travel time. So I hope you enjoy the video, my brother and sister. So this is my my vlog edition, my 30 days vacation here in the Philippines. So let's go. I hope you enjoy the video. So today is March 9, 2025. It's Sunday. It's raining now here, my brother and sister. Very nice location. It's cold here. So I will show you the area. So the setup here, my brother and sister, is like a camping site. You can bring your own tent, and also you can rent different cottage, my brother and sister. So I will show you the entrance. Even I'm on vacation, my brother and sister, I'm still training at least 3 or 4 times in 1 week, just to maintain my physique. So this is the entrance. Very nice area. We are on the top of the mountain. So I will show you around, my brother and sister. So this is the entrance, my brother and sister. It's raining now, my brother and sister, here in this area. That's why it's very cold. So this is the pavilion, my brother and sister. So you can eat here. There's a setup of a chair and table. So it's very nice. Then that's the mountainside. Very nice location. So I will show you the other places also. So let's go. We will go to a tower, my brother and sister, on the top of the tower. So let's go. We are here in the top of the tower, my brother and sister. So this is the place. Very nice area. So that's the mountain, my brother and sister. It's very nice location. You see the back there on the mountain. We will go now on the summit. That's the summit of this area. So let's go. My brother and sister, we already here in the summit of this mountain. So this is the area. Very nice place. It's raining, my brother and sister. You see the pug behind me? That's the camping site. You can use your tent. Very nice view, my brother and sister. I'm already here in the summit. So that's my cottage, my brother and sister. That small cottage. My brother and sister, this is the cottage I rent in this place, the Lambingan Hills. So it's around 80 to 90 dirham only, my brother and sister. So the start check-in is from 2 p.m. until the next day, 12 noon. So let's see. I will show you what is inside. So there's a bed, my brother and sister. Then there's a pillow there. It's included to this cottage. So I bring my own supplement, brother and sister. So I have a whey protein. There's amino there. There's hydroxycat for a burning fat. So even I'm on vacation, even I eat more. There's a fat blocker, so it's very beneficial for me. So I can eat anything I want, so the fat will not store there. So this is the inside of the cottage, my brother and sister. So it's very nice place just to sleep, to take rest for a couple of hours. So there's a bed here. There's a cushion, there's a pillow. So that's it, my brother and sister. I hope you enjoyed the video for today. March 9, 2025. It's Sunday, my brother and sister. So this is I think now I'm already 6 days here in the Philippines. So when I'm on vacation, my brother and sister, I try to visit different places, different provinces, just to relax my physique for the training for the whole year, and my mind, just to relax. I will update you, my brother and sister, what I will do the remaining day while I'm still on vacation. So maybe this coming week we will start again to train. At least I will train 3 or 4 times in 1 week only. Not same in when I'm on work. I'm training always 6 days in 1 week, 1 day rest. But I'm on vacation, at least 3 or 4. So it's more than enough to maintain the physique. So I will update you that, my brother and sister, regarding the training. So before I go, my brother and sister, don't forget to subscribe and push that notification bell, so you'll always be updated yung mga uploaded video to my YouTube channel. And also you can share and like my video, my brother and sister. So I will see you again, my brother and sister. Have a good day and have a good night. Keep on training. Peace. Good morning, good evening, my brother and sister. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So my brother and sister, today is March 10, 2025. It's Monday. It's my birthday, my brother and sister. So I will celebrate my birthday here in Viking restaurant here in Sucat, Parañaque, near to my house. So it's unlimited food, my brother and sister. So this is the place. So it's different food, my brother sister. There's different pastry, there's different seafoods, different delicacies from the Philippines and other parts of the world. So I will update you, my brother sister. So today is my 46th birthday, March 10, 2025. It's Monday. So happy birthday to me, my brother sister. I will update you again. See you.
Sir. Oh. Ah. Akala ko yung nakasalang sa oven.
So my brother and sister, this is the food we get. So we have here salmon. We have tempura shrimp. Then some the sushi with source of carbs and protein. Then some seafood. So good source of carbs and protein and fats, my sister. So it's my 46th birthday, my sister. So let's eat. Salmon. So that's it, my brother and sister. We celebrate my 46th birthday here in Viking sea. A Feast from the Sea. It's a very good restaurant here in the Sukat, Paranaque, here in the Philippines. So you see the different food, different section for the food. So it's very nice experience to celebrate my 46th birthday here. Maybe this week we will train at least maybe 3 to 4 days only while we on still on vacation, just to maintain my physique, my brother and sister. So that's it, my brother and sister. I hope you enjoyed the video. So before I go, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification bell, so you'll always be updated to my new uploaded video on my YouTube channel. And also you can share and like my video, my brother and sister. So have a good day and have a good night, my brother and sister. I will see you again. Peace. Happy birthday to me, my brother and sister.